Okay, that was just a short burst from the parking area to the first banking. Reached around about 330. Car very stable. Doing around 215 on the banking. And then we're now going on the return leg. It's not straight, there's a few corners here. We're now doing 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 355. The car is moving a little bit on the road. 367, 373, 378, 379 was the maximum seen. Now slowing down, going to take the banking at the far end. Now doing 260, it feels like I'm not even moving. The car's very, very stable. What a wonderful machine this is. Well, one thing's for sure, very lucky to be able to drive such a wonderful car as this. And I think it'll be quite a long time before somebody else makes one to better this one. It is superb. Okay, here we are on the banking. This is the banking at the close end to the car park, doing around 215 kilometres per hour. I'm going to accelerate now down the return leg. Now we have 300 kilometres per hour, 320, 340, 350, 360, 370, 377, 381, 383, 383, 384, and then back them up again. 384 maximum. We're very, very close to the red limiter now. Okay, we're now doing 301 kilometres per hour, and it feels like you can get out and walk by the side of the car now, strangely enough. again on the banking close to the parking. We're doing 230 kilometres per hour on the banking now. And as we come off, we're going to be accelerating up to the maximum speed. So we now have 250, 280, 300, 320, 340, 350, 360, 370, 379, 381, 382, 383, 385, 386, 387, 388, 388. And we've got a corner coming up, so we're slowing down. Gearbox temperature reached 118 degrees that time. Now we're slowing down to just over 200. On the banking at the far end, 215, 230, 240, 270, 300, 330, 350, 360, 370, 380, 386, 388, 389, 390, 390, 391, 391. It will not go any more than 391. But anyway, 391 is quite fast, isn't it? Appropriately, we've got the fuel light on. Gearbox temperature reached 130 degrees. Everything else is fine. I still say this is the best car ever built, ever, and probably will never be beaten.